Siddharth Yadav, national spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, joining me in the studios. Vivek Silas, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, also in the studio with me. Kishore Tiwari, political analyst, supports the Shiv Sena, making a comeback on the show after a long time. Tausif Rehman, national spokesperson of the Trinamool Congress, joining us live from Kolkata. Shadab Chauhan, leader of the AIMIM, also joining the show. But my first question goes to my friend and Congress supporter, Advocate Nikhil Jain, with us in the studios tonight. Nikhil Jain, facts are facts, only if you believe them. अब नेहरू को भी आप नहीं मानेंगे तो कैसे चलेगी कांग्रेस पार्टी? And I want to ask you, Randeep Singh Surjewala says what is happening in Karnataka is the BJP's fault. You can't see it. It is season 24 of this fight between DKS and Siddaramaiah that's going on. The 2.5-year term rotational cycle is not something we the people of India concocted. It has been stated by the Congress party, and they're coming to Delhi, they are seeking audience, they are making statements. हम सब कान बंद करके बैठ जाएं. और बिहार में जो हो रहा है तो you have seen, they're sitting there and saying ticket chor gaddi chhod. Rahul Gandhi's appointee, who was a party prabhari in Bihar, he's being alleged to have sold the tickets. That's why the loss for the Congress party in Bihar. And look at the language Pappu Yadav uses against his own party men. What's going on? And still you want to completely believe that it is the BJP at fault?
Navika, indeed, facts are facts. The fact is that the Congress party's vote share in 2025 and 2020 in the Bihar Assembly elections is pretty much the same. The facts are that the RJD contested the same number of seats, got the same vote share, yet their seats are 1/3 of what they were. Fact is that the Congress party did get over 13 crore votes in the Lok Sabha elections of 2024. Fact is that the Karnataka government, being run by Siddaramaiah and DK Shiv Kumar and all the other ministers and members of the Congress party, has been able to successfully deliver on a lot of social welfare schemes. The fact is that Karnataka, or rather Bangalore, has the most advanced traffic management system in the country right now.
I might just have a heart attack. I might just have a heart attack.
You might also have a heart attack when you'll ask your team and you'll realize that I spent 2 hours in the morning coming to your studio, which is, by the way more than the time that I'd be spending in the studio, because the traffic in Delhi is also horrendous. I'm not saying that the traffic in Bangalore is not bad. It's worse. It's pathetic. But you also have to look at the base infrastructure that the city had, the infrastructure of the population size that the city was built for, and the kind of development that has happened in Bangalore. For all things good and bad about Bangalore, let's remember one thing, that all the startups and all the companies and tech companies and founders are lining up in Bangalore to open their offices and not in Ahmedabad or Patna or the other cities, state capitals, which the BJP has been ruling for decades and decades.
Your achievements are so many. Your achievements that you now fit into an Innova car now in Bihar, you fit into various other auto rickshaw कहाँ पे है आपके लिए पता नहीं, but Anand Ranganathan, is this complete denial? There is a dharna in Patna, unseemly dharna. If it was happening to any other party, they would actually be embarrassed about it, but not the Congress party. Their one-point agenda is somehow defend the champion of defeat, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, and pretend nothing else is happening. Not in Karnataka, not in Bihar, not anywhere in the country. Vote chori, वहाँ ticket chori हो गई, vote bank chori हो गया.
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Look, if you were to do a blood test of anyone from the Congress, especially from the Nehru-Gandhi dynasty, cholesterol कम निकलेगा, hypocrisy ज़्यादा निकलेगी. On the day when they are celebrating nehruarchives.org or .in or whatever it is, and saying Nehru was the one who laid the foundations for democracy, I'm sorry, he laid the wreath at the body of democracy. Nehru Archives, I am glad it's open, because now people can realize Wolpert's 9 Hours to Rama, Nasiri's Chandra Mohini, Menon's Rama Retold, Campbell's The Heart of India, Koestler's The Lotus and the Robot, Bake's Captive Kashmir, Godse's My Testimony, Russell's Unarmed Victory, Sardanvi Markai Somnath, Taylor's The Dark Urge, Lawrence Lady Chatelier's Lover, What Has Religion Done for Mankind, Ratanwang Bhupat Singh, Fisher's Aisha, Hagen's Nepal. These are the books that the liberty-loving, freedom-loving Nehru banned under Nehru. But this is Nehru's archives. I wonder 50 years from now there would be rahularchives.org. उसमें लोगों को क्या मिलेगा? उसमें लोगों को मिलेगा झूठ पे झूठ बोलो, hypocrisy करो, call Adani corrupt, but at the same time in the states that you are ruling, you give 1 lakh crores to the Adani companies. You say we fight against corruption, but at the same time you pass a law that overrides FCRA regulations that convicted you through a high court ruling. When you call others that there is election bungling, at the same time you accept donations through the same anonymous electoral rolls. और क्या क्या निकालोगे rahularchives.org से, ये मैं जैन जी से पूछना चाहता हूँ.
Gen Z can give you a response that hypocrisy अगर कांग्रेस के खून में मिलेगी उससे बहुत ज्यादा बीजेपी के खून में मिलेगी.
नहीं बोला है, Gen Z.
I know. I very well know. He keeps on saying that off air as well. Be that as it may. The point is the Prime Minister went around saying 70,000 करोड़ रुपए का घोटाला करा है. अजीत पवार ने अभी कहाँ पर है? उनके साथ डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं. And I'll tell you why. See, he can make points from
बिहार में टिकट चोरी हुई कि नहीं? What is your response? In Karnataka there are tremors in your government. Is there a response? Will you respond to the issues or will Rahul Gandhi just do the disappearing act?
I'll respond to all the issues and I will not raise things from 7 years ago if he won't be raising things from 17.
Please tell me about Bihar and Karnataka.
No, but he can talk about Nehru and I can't talk about Nehru from 7 years ago.
My friend, he is not running a political party. Rahul Gandhi is.
But Narendra Modi is running a... Oh, come on.
Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, let me just respond on the allegations regarding Bihar and Karnataka. So far as Karnataka is concerned, the BJP has been trying to, create this fight between Siddaramaiah and Shiv Kumar. Fact is, it's a stable government that is delivering. We will. No. Ek second. We will.
BJP is divided. Have you heard the utterances of DK Shiv Kumar?
BJP is the one that is trying to flare up the perception. What has DK Shiv Kumar said?
BJP is dividing Karnataka. CM and Deputy CM Siddharth Yadav.